Imagine a company that knows more about the world than most governments. A company that can predict global crises, track pandemics, and even help catch terrorists. Sounds like sci-fi, right? But what if I told you this company is real and it's changing the world as we speak? Welcome to the world of Palantir Technologies, a company so powerful, so controversial, and so profitable, it could either make you rich or keep you up at night, wondering how much it knows about you. Don't worry, I'm not selling tinfoil hats. But by the end of this video, you'll see why Palantir is one of the most fascinating and potentially lucrative companies in the world. Stick around because this is one story you don't want to miss. What is Palantir? Let's start with the basics. Palantir was founded in 2003 by Peter Thiel, the billionaire behind PayPal and Facebook, and Alex Karp. Their mission? To help organizations make sense of massive amounts of data. Think of it like Google, but instead of finding cat videos, Palantir helps governments and corporations find, well, pretty much anything else. Palantir's software, Gotham and Foundry, is used by the US military, intelligence agencies, and Fortune 500 companies to analyze data, predict trends, and make critical decisions. But here's where it gets interesting and unsettling. Palantir doesn't just work with the good guys. Its technology sparks serious ethical debates. More on that later. How Palantir makes money. Now, let's talk money. Palantir isn't just a tech company, it's a cash machine. In 2020, it went public, and its stock has been on a roller coaster ever since. If you're into investing, lean in. Palantir's business model is as unique as its name. It makes money by selling software to governments and corporations. We're not talking small contracts here. Multi-million-dollar deals with the US Department of Defense, Airbus, and even the NHS in the UK. But here's the kicker. Palantir's future growth depends on one thing: its ability to expand into the private sector. And that's where things get exciting. Or risky. Stay tuned. The controversies. Let's address the elephant in the room. Palantir isn't without controversy. Critics say its technology threatens privacy and civil liberties. Imagine a world where your every move is tracked, analyzed, and stored. It sounds like Black Mirror, right? For some, it's already reality. Palantir's software has been used in immigration enforcement, predictive policing, and surveillance programs. The company claims its technology is neutral, but the ethical questions remain. So, is Palantir a force for good or a threat to our freedoms? The answer isn't black and white, but one thing's clear. Its impact is undeniable. Why investors are watching. Now, why are investors obsessed with Palantir? This isn't just another tech stock, it's a bet on the future of data. Palantir's revenue is growing, and its contracts are getting bigger. But here's the catch. Palantir isn't profitable yet. It's still burning cash to fuel its growth. Think of it like a startup that's been around for 20 years. Big dreams, big clients, and a big appetite for risk. So, should you invest? That depends on how much you believe in its vision and how much risk you're willing to take. But before you decide, there's one more thing you need to know. The future of Palantir. The future of Palantir is both exciting and uncertain. Its technology is becoming essential in a world drowning in data. But its reliance on government contracts makes it vulnerable to political shifts. Here's the big question. Can Palantir become the next Amazon or Google of data? If it cracks the private sector and turns a profit, the sky's the limit. Or will it remain a niche player, tied to the whims of governments and corporations? The answer could make or break your investment. So, what's the verdict on Palantir? It's a company as fascinating as it is controversial. Whether you see it as a golden opportunity or a risky bet, one thing's clear. Palantir is shaping the future of data, and the future is already here. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, don't stop here. Check out my next video, where I break down how to spot the next big tech stock before it takes off. The best time to invest in your future is now. Hit that end screen, and let's keep building the life you deserve. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.